Hey Kabish, have you wondered what's in space? Yes, I want to visit all the planets. Can we go today? Of course! Buckle up because today we're flying through the entire solar system. Welcome to Manas and Kabish. Let's count down, blast off! Wow! Mercury is tiny! It's the smallest planet. But why is it so hot? Because it's the closest planet to the sun. I think I'd need the world's biggest ice cream. Whoa! That giant glowing ball is huge! That's the sun. It's not a planet, it's a star. Whoa! It's a star! Exactly. The sun gives us light and heat every day. So without the sun, there would be no life on Earth. Venus looks beautiful. It does, but don't visit without a supersuit. Why? It's the hottest planet in the solar system. Hotter than an oven? Much hotter. Earth is the only known planet with life. We have oceans. We love planet Earth. Why is Mars red? Because of rusty dust. So it's the red planet. Scientists hope people might live there one day. I'm bringing pizza if we go. Watch out! Rocks everywhere! This is the Asteroid Belt. Good thing our rocket has super steering. What? It's enormous! Jupiter is the biggest planet. How big? More than 1,300 Earths could fit inside. My jaw just dropped. Look! Saturn is wearing a giant hula hoop. Haha, those are its famous rings. They're made of ice and rocks. Wait, why is Uranus tilted? It spins on its side. It's like rolling instead of spinning. Wait, it looks cold. It is. Neptune is icy and super windy. How windy? The fastest winds in the solar system. My hair would fly away. What's beyond Neptune? The Kuiper Belt. It's filled with icy worlds, and Pluto lives here too. Hi, Pluto! Let's see if you remember. Which planet is the biggest? Jupiter! That's right, Jupiter! Which planet has beautiful rings? Saturn! Which planet do we live on? Earth! What an awesome adventure! We traveled millions of kilometers without leaving our rocket. Which planet was your favorite? Jupiter or Neptune? Tell us in the comments. If you had fun exploring space with us, like this video, subscribe to Manas so you never stop learning. Rumbai Space Explorers. Bye, Manning!